Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Coders Arcade. In today's video, we will be talking about the anonymous function or the lambda function. So what is the anonymous function or the lambda function? With the help of the anonymous or the lambda function, you can create small anonymous functions. These functions are called anonymous because they are not declared in the standard manner by using the def keyword. So let us look certain rules regarding the use of the anonymous function or the lambda function. You can see here are the rules for the anonymous function or the lambda function. The first rule is that lambda forms can take any number of arguments, but it will only return just one value in the form of an expression. It means that we can provide any number of arguments to the lambda function, but it will only return us one value in the form of an expression. The second one is that the lambda functions cannot contain commands or multiple expressions. You can only provide one single expression. The third rule is that an anonymous function cannot be a direct call to print because lambda requires an expression. So without an expression, you cannot give a direct call to an anonymous function. The fourth rule is that lambda functions have their own local namespace and cannot access variables other than those in their parameter list and those in the global namespace. So what this means is lambda functions will only access the parameters in their list. They cannot access any other variables from other functions. Now let us move on to the syntax of the lambda function. Here you can see this is the syntax of the lambda function. You have to write the keyword lambda, then you can give the arguments. It can take n number of arguments, and then after the colon you have to give the expression. These square brackets are not mandatory. You can remove them or provide them as you wish. So this is a basic syntax of the lambda expression. Now let us move on to PyCharm so that I can show you the use of the lambda function. So here, let me give you an example where I can show you how to add three numbers with the help of the lambda function. So I will write the name addition is equal to, then I will take the lambda keyword and here I will give the arguments. Let me take three arguments which are x, y, z. Then after that you have to give the colon followed by the expression. So my expression here should be x plus y plus z. So with this the lambda function is finished. Now in order to call this function you have to use the print statement, and after that inside the print statement parenthesis you have to give the name of the lambda function which is addition. After that you have to give the parameters. Let me simply give 1, 2 and 3, and let me elaborate it by using a string sentence. I will give quotes and I will write the sum is colon followed by a space and then I will call my function. So this way the print statement will look better. Now I will run my program. I'm running it now. Now you can see the sum is 6. So here in this lambda function we have three parameters or three arguments which are x, y and z, and after the colon you can see here that this is the expression x plus y plus z. So this is calculating the result and returning one value which is 6. This is the value 6 because I have given the parameters or the arguments 1, 2 and 3. So when we add these three together we get the answer 6. So this is the simple use of the anonymous or the lambda function.
So this is all about this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video, and if you like it then tell us in the comment section below. If you have any doubts then post them in the comment section. I will definitely try to clear those doubts. Also like, share and subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification when we post a new video. Thank you. Happy learning.